Good afternoon from Power Wash Store of Central PA. Today we're putting the finishing touches on this truck for Panorama Pro Wash out of Pennsylvania. They brought us this flatbed. They had a custom aluminum bed installed on it. They went to the extra measures of doing a bed liner on there. They also did something cool with the rhino lining. All of these little pieces and parts, those are all rhino lined as well. The front grille here was also rhino lined, so pretty neat look onto this truck. But what we added back here are some pressure washers and a soft wash setup. So we'll start over here on this side. We have our 18-inch Hanny electric reels. We have 3 of those. 2 of them are stacked. And then over on the right-hand side, we've installed a 12-inch Titan hand crank reel that just came off of his existing rig. We actually deconstructed a trailer over here and mini skid, and then we put some of the components on this truck. So we have our hose reels here, pressure washing, soft washing, and your garden hose feed. Back here we have an 8-gallon a minute gear drive unit, cold water with the GX690. That one is set up with a downstream setup. We have a bypass install kit back there for that downstream setup, so you can easily switch that and rinse it out. For our soft washing system, we have an air diaphragm setup. That's going to work with the proportioner there. 1/2-inch all flow pump is paired up with the VMAC 30 CFM compressor. And the tank is separated from that VMAX, so we have that air tank sitting back here in the center of the bed. We have our Hydrotech hot water 8-gallon a minute unit here with the stainless steel frame. Our tanks are going to be a 270 for water. Then we have an extra 55-gallon tank for water for the soft wash system. And then we have a 55-gallon tank for bleach as well. We've got our 2 7-gallon soap tanks that'll be used with the proportioner. One's going to be for a bleach neutralizer, and then another one for the surfactant. And then a 22-gallon fuel tank there with a fuel gauge. If you're looking for something like this or something completely different, give us a call. We can build trucks, flatbed trucks. We do trailers. We do drop-in skids as well. So give us a call, 717-378-2276. Thanks for watching and have a great day.